My experience with Sharad and team has been really good. Sharad knows about the local real estate market, he knows the ins and outs of the real estate market. From working at a previous company, we were both colleagues, and I knew he had transitioned into working in real estate after we both worked together in tech. We kept in touch over the years, and when my wife and I made a decision to upgrade, sell our house, and buy a new house, Sharad was the first person I reached out to because I knew from the past working with him, he's somebody that I could trust and I could lean on for guiding me and through the process. Um, my experience with Sharad and team has been really good. Sharad knows about the local real estate market. He knows the ins and outs of the real estate market. He understands the needs of the buyer and also what I'm looking for in terms of selling the house. So we had a good discussion on our timelines. How to go about selling, purchasing first, and then buying. I also worked with a couple of his team members and who are also very knowledgeable and they're very responsive. Yeah, I definitely would recommend Sharad to my friends and my family who are looking to buy real estate or selling real estate in the Bay Area. They're very knowledgeable people and they're very professional.
Thank you.